Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Developer. In my last video, we have learned that we have created the API for adding the poetry, right? In that, we have created the request body poetry form validation and also added the controller method of add and that was discussed in our last video. Now, in this video, we will write the API method or the controller method for updating the poetry. Okay, so let's follow the tutorial. And if you are new to my channel, I request you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Don't forget to press the bell icon because if you press the bell icon, you will get the latest notification and for all the videos that I will upload. So don't miss the bell icon pressing and don't forget to subscribe my channel because it will give you the good content to learn about Java, Spring Boot, microservices. So I most probably give all my knowledge to you guys so that you can also get the better understanding of the concept. So let's continue. So for updating the poetry related data, the API method will be public response entity and the response type we will check the poetry service. As I already informed you in my last video that whatever the service return type is there, similar will be the controller return type in the form of a response entity. So we have the API response DTO void update, or you can say edit method at the it validated. Uh, the value will be validation sequence dot class, and at the it request body will be the same poetry form poetry form. And there will be one more thing, that will be the path variable at the it path variable and string id, right? So the mapping will be put mapping value and this will be the id, right? The id will be string because if you see in the model structure, we have the poetry class and we have taken the id as a string, and that's why we have taken the id path variable as a string here in the controller. So now it will be return new response entity, and where we will pass the body and the http status code. So response entity, and that will be this one. We do not have to write this like in this body. Now poetry service dot update method will be get called over here. That is update, and in the update the arguments are id and poetry form that will be directly passed from the controller, and next value or the next argument of the response entity constructor is http status. So we are updating the poetry, so whatever the status will be, it will be the ok status. So http status dot ok, right? So what we have done in this video is we have used the put mapping because for any update API, when you want to edit some object, you always have to use the put mapping and pass the id or related data in the path variable, so that we are taking the id in the path variable. After that, with the id some object will be there in which the poetry related data will be there. So poetry form will be the same as it is, in which we will have the title description, image, and the type of the poetry. So all these things will be similar, right? So this in this video we have covered how to write the put mapping for our poetry services that we are currently working on the website called www.lovepoet.com using the Elasticsearch. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please follow my tutorials and you will be definitely learn to write the APIs and how you can create the Elasticsearch Spring Boot project. So please subscribe my channel and please share with the videos with your friend and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Bye for now. Take care.